been up all night. I was trying to doze off a while ago and got to liking stuff on Facebook. I'm gonna throw a little bit more paint on mine. What little bit I got. Did get the doors, all the doors done. And this right here is the before. These are the drawers that go in the bathroom. And I found the other one for down there. I'm gonna have to put it back together. But this is what it looked like before. This after I sanded it, and then the after when I paint them. So I'm gonna throw a little bit more paint on here too. I might, Ma. I'm probably not gonna go to sleep, so I might. Let me get cleaned up. Yeah, so the overspray was just like in the bathroom back there. This is ridiculous. But it was so thin, so. But either way, still better than it did. And I could throw another coat on there, maybe some gloss white, or either I'm gonna do these, throw the doors black, leave the frame white, or do the frame gloss black and have white doors going in. That sounds good. Alright, so then this plastic piece is all I had at first, and that screw going through there, and then I found those little squares. I have to find the other one for this side, but for now, you'll see how this goes up here. All right, so I'm getting ready to put this back up there. I have to take this off in order to screw that, and then you'll look up and see the, okay. So this was not an original piece. Original piece. It went with this, but it will. Now that I know. So this was a piece of this, but it will be in the end. So leave it off until we get gold paint. Originally came off of here. I had to cut it off. This mirror was flipped around. It was round. But I refurbed it. Saved that piece. And now it's going to go on my life experience.